Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to stop job emails from Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up the website guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and get started with searching for a job. So guys, now to be able to turn off those notifications for jobs, the first thing we need to do is sign in to our account. So we can do that by clicking the sign in button right here that will appear in the upper right corner. And there you can provide your info and log in. So after logging in, you'll be back right here in this home page where you can see you can get started with searching for a job. So now let's go ahead guys and see how to turn off those notifications. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and click on our profile picture right here, profile icon in the upper right corner. And this will now open up this new drop down menu with options you can see like profile and so on. And we want to find this option right here called settings. So guys, go ahead and open up settings. And in the settings option right here, guys, you will see now you have settings at the left side screen like account settings, you have communication settings, device management and privacy settings. So to be able to turn off job notifications, you need to go ahead and click on communication settings right here. And as you can see, here is our communication settings and open up email. So as you can see in email, now you can have subscriptions or additional emails that you can turn off. As you can see, I had turned all of them off. You can turn them off as well. And here in the job and company alerts, you can unsubscribe from getting these emails. So guys, just unsubscribe and you will stop receiving all of the job emails. But yeah, guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.